Hello, good evening. It's quite late here in the UK. This is video number 11. We've had a delivery of some more profile, as you can see, quite a bit of it. In fact, we've got a stack of it down here, and assembled the base sort of temporarily. The reason being I wanted to put the linear rails in, which I have done down the side here. I think I'm pretty sure I've opted for putting them on sideways instead of on the top, principally because it just suits the design that way. As you can see, the very large section now replaces the thin section, which gives it much more stability in the gantry. And I've temporarily installed the linear bearings on that rising gantry that houses the X and the Z axis. So the Z axis is still there, and if we pull it very gently, you see this actually moves on. It's not actually bolted down, so I've got to be a bit careful here. It moves along the rails like that, and it's also moved off its base. But it's easier going back because it's up against the wall. To give you some idea of how the x-axis, that's better, how the x-axis gantry moves back along the y-axis. So that's coming along quite well. We've just got a I've got this little device here, which is has a piece of profile, two woodpecker rule of stops, one each side, which enables me to measure the width along there, which lines up the two parallels for the gantry. And then what we'll do is we will cut these off here and here, and I've got an aluminium chop saw which I got today, which is excellent, one of these Evolution things, Fury 3, and it will cut this stuff up. And then once these are cut down to 600 millimeters long, I can then get the larger stuff and put it along the front and the back, which will give me the base, and I will square that up and then set that solid. Once that's solid, we're then done for the base, and we can start installing the ball screws, which are all down here. This is the long one for the y-axis, and the x-axis one is installed already, well, temporarily at the back there, but it won't be going there, it will be going a lot further in. I've got to drill all the holes for that. Anyway, that's video number 11. As you can see, we're coming along a little bit faster now. Now we've got all the profile, and hopefully we'll be able to see some progress fairly soon. Good night from sunny Kent in the middle of the night.